Have you ever told yourself, I'll start tomorrow, and then tomorrow became next week? Or maybe you picked up your phone for just 2 minutes, and suddenly an hour disappeared. Here's the strange part. What if I told you your brain isn't trying to make you successful? It's trying to keep you comfortable. And that's exactly why laziness feels so good. But once you understand this hidden trick your brain plays on you, look at procrastination the same way again. Stay with me, because the biggest enemy of your goals might not be laziness. It might be your brain itself. Most people think lazy people are simply not disciplined, but that's not true. Even successful people feel lazy. Even athletes, even entrepreneurs, even top students. The difference is not that they have a different brain. The difference is that they understand how their brain works. Your brain was designed thousands of years ago. Back then, food was limited. Energy was precious. Doing less often meant surviving longer. So your brain learned one important rule: save energy whenever possible. The problem? Your brain still follows that ancient rule. Even though your biggest challenge today isn't finding food, it's finishing your work. And once you realize this, everything starts to make sense. But this is only the beginning. Let's see the first reason your brain loves laziness. Number 1, your brain chooses easy rewards. Imagine you have 2 choices: study for 1 hour, or scroll social media. One gives rewards months later. The other gives rewards right now. Guess which one your brain chooses? The instant reward. Every notification, every funny video, every like gives your brain a tiny burst of happiness. Psychologists call this a reward loop. Your brain begins chasing easy pleasure instead of meaningful progress. It's like choosing candy over healthy food. Candy tastes better today. Healthy food helps tomorrow. Your brain naturally picks today. That's why motivation disappears so quickly. And the next reason makes this even worse. Number 2, your brain hates uncertainty. Have you ever delayed starting something because it felt too big? A school project, learning a new skill, starting a business. The task feels huge. So your brain says, let's do it later. Not because you're lazy, because your brain hates uncertainty. It loves knowing exactly what will happen. Starting something new feels risky. Watching another video? That's familiar, safe, comfortable. So your brain quietly pushes you toward what it already knows. But here's something powerful. Action creates clarity. You don't need confidence before you begin. You gain confidence because you begin. Remember that. Because the next reason explains why starting is always the hardest part. Number 3, your brain wants habits, not decisions. Imagine driving home. Sometimes you reach your house without remembering the journey. Why? Because your brain loves habits. Habits save energy. Now think about your daily routine. Wake up, check your phone, watch videos, delay work, repeat. After enough repetitions, your brain turns procrastination into a habit. You're no longer making a choice. You're simply following a pattern. Here's a quote worth remembering. First you build your habits, then your habits build you. The good news? If bad habits can become automatic, good habits can too. And that's where everything changes. Number 4, your brain protects you from failure. Here's a surprising truth. Sometimes laziness isn't about being lazy. It's about fear. Think about it. If you never start, you never fail. And if you never fail, your brain feels safe. But staying safe is a hidden cost. You also never improve, never grow, never discover what you're capable of. Imagine someone standing on the edge of a swimming pool. They are scared to jump, but once they finally do, they realize the water wasn't scary at all. Most fears work exactly like that. Your brain often exaggerates danger. Reality is usually much easier than imagination. So the question isn't, what if I fail? The better question is, what if I never try? And now comes the most important part. How do we actually beat this? The goal isn't to fight your brain. It's to work with it. Here are 4 simple tricks. First, Make the first step ridiculously small. Instead of saying, I'll study for 2 hours, say, I'll study for just 5 minutes. Starting is the hardest part. Second, remove distractions before they remove your focus. Keep your phone away. Close unnecessary tabs. Make good choices easier. Third, reward yourself after finishing a task. Your brain loves rewards. Use that to your advantage. And finally, don't wait for motivation. Take action first. Motivation often comes after you begin, not before. Every small action teaches your brain a new pattern. One step today, another tomorrow. Soon, discipline starts feeling natural. And that's when your life begins to change. Your brain isn't your enemy. It's simply following old programming. But you are not controlled by your instincts. You are shaped by your choices. Every time you choose action over comfort, you become a slightly stronger version of yourself. Remember this. Comfort builds today's happiness. Discipline builds tomorrow's freedom. The life you want isn't waiting for a perfect day. It's waiting for the small decision you make today. Because the person you will become tomorrow is created by what you choose to do right now. If this video made you see laziness in a new way, don't let this be another video you forget in 5 minutes. Choose one small action today. Just one. Your future self will thank you for it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video.